Rutendo Matinyarare, the real truth about his wealth. Rutendo Matinyarare is a name that commands attention. To his supporters, he's a fiery anti-sanctions activist and a champion of Pan-Africanism. To his critics, he's a controversial figure with an agenda. But beyond the public debates and legal battles, one question consistently surfaces: what is the true source of his wealth? The answer is not as simple as it seems, and the facts are often obscured by speculation. The public record paints a clear picture of Matinyarare's professional life. He is the chairman and spokesperson of the Zimbabwe Anti-Sanctions Movement, an organization that actively campaigns against Western sanctions